For this activity, we have strips of charts with the Uyiraluttukal written in order in Tamil. So this activity is only given to those children who know the letters in order. This is a control strip. So you can keep this upside down. Choose any one of the strips to work with at a time. Keep the rest aside. Use a whiteboard marker and write. After writing, I can use the control chart to check if I wrote correctly in order. Because it's a laminated sheet and you've used a whiteboard marker, if you wipe it with tissue paper or wet cloth, the ink will go. In case the ink dries, use a nail polish remover and it will come off.